There was a big explosion in South Carolina in a building, at a veterinary building, and thank God it was a new building. There was an animal inside, but one of the firefighter is injured. There was somebody struck a gas line. Somebody struck a gas line, and then there was a gas leaking. And when the firefighters show up, there was this big explosion. That was in South Carolina. That was this morning. So far, just one of the firefighters injured, no animals injured. It was terrible explosion. So far, any human loss, that's good news. Thank you.